Sgorio nôl penwythnos yma ar gêm fyw gynta yn fyw o Caerfyrddin. Caerfyrddin yn erbyn Gap Connah. Dau o'r chwaraewyr fan hyn nawr. Callum Morris, Lee Sermon, thanks for joining us. Launch of the league. Callum, I'll start with you. First game, you're travelling already down south. Typical, isn't it? You're looking forward to the start of the season?
Yeah, we can't wait. You know, obviously, I've got a tough first game away at Caerfyrddin now, but we'll go there ready and see what we can do.
Lee, have you been watching some of the European exploits over the summer? I'm sure you saw the results.
Yeah, all the results, all the coverage. Fantastic results they had, as other Welsh clubs did. So great for the league.
Absolutely, and you're moving to Carmarthen this summer. What have you made of it so far?
Really enjoyed it. Enjoyed working with the new coaches. It's been great. The new lads are all fit, young and fresh. Looking forward to it. Yeah.
So, is it a new-looking squad for Carmarthen?
Not much, not greatly. There's a lot of the same faces from last year. So another year of experience, bringing in myself. A bit more experience to the lads. So yeah, everything's shaping up great.
And Callum, it's been quite. I'm trying to work out since Andy Morrison arrived. How long has it been? It's not long, is it? Since last November. Yeah, quite an impact at the club. I'm sure he's raring to go to start the season with Connah's Quay.
Yeah, definitely. We've had a good pre-season, obviously, with the Europe games and stuff. All the lads are raring to go, and I'm sure the gaffer is as well, and we can't wait to get started. I'm
sure you must have been impressed with what they did last season as well, because when the gaffer turned up, they were right down rock bottom, and suddenly they're challenging at the top. That's quite an end of season they had.
Yeah, well, I was at Aberystwyth. We beat them, I think it was 2-1 up there, and they played really well, and the previous manager got sacked after that game. And then since that point, then they just kicked on, and fantastic run of results. Hopefully they don't continue it next Saturday.
A lot of the talk in the launch as well has been about Wales national team in Euro 2016. I hope some of that feel-good factor gets felt around the league. It'd be nice to see a lot more interest in the league this season.
Yeah, definitely. Wales have done unbelievably well in the summer, and hopefully the fans have seen that, and they'll come to the games and they can start watching us.
And finally, it'd be a good way to start the season with a nice home win. Sorry, you don't have to listen to this, but it'd be a good way to kick things off. Home win for Carmarthen in the first game.
Oh, very much so, especially now that there's not many home games for us. We've got Carmarthen as home games, and obviously Cardiff Met, and then every other game is up north. Course, so we could do with a nice little win. Yeah.
They don't like travelling either, I take it. Guys, thanks for joining us. Good luck for the new season.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.